Bitcoin stable above $64,000 while ETF outflows hit $200 million. SEC sues Bitcoin miner GeoSyn accusing founders of $5.6 million fraud. Solana Mobile Chapter 2 airdrops briefly exceed cost of pre-order. Bitcoin miner marathon increases 2024 hash rate target to 50 exahashes per second. Stripe bringing back crypto payments, this time with a stablecoin. Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. Virtual digital assets or VDA markets have managed to pare losses in the last 24 hours as stronger than expected earnings from Microsoft and Alphabet helped overcome negative sentiment. Bitcoin, the largest crypto, hovered around the $64,500 mark. Ruchi Sharma joins us to tell us how global crypto market is performing today.
IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading up by 0.4% at 80,800 points. Although the strong earnings performance of technology stocks ramped up hopes of perky demand for artificial intelligence-based technology, this will keep supporting tech earnings in the coming quarter. In the immediate term, the market focus remains on US inflation and the interest rates decision. Well, the sticky inflation data has led traders to steadily price out expectations of early interest rate cuts by the Fed. That leads to the creation of a hazy scenario for risky assets such as equities and crypto. Nonetheless, the broader crypto markets are shaping up to seize the opportunities for high return. Meanwhile, the spotlight has turned to stablecoins recently as the US lawmakers deliberate new law to regulate these coins that are backed by fiat currency and offered by non-US entities. Diving into the opportunity of regulatory oversight is the payment processor Stripe. It has decided to reintroduce crypto payments later this year, initially only for Circle's USDC stablecoin on the Solana, Ethereum and Polygon blockchains. Tether announced the development of a digital asset tokenization platform which promises to revolutionize the digital asset management and provide a secure user experience for issuers and investors. The platform will be fully non-custodial, multi-chain and support various asset types. Moving on, chain analysis, the 2024 Crypto Spring Report reveals that the United States has the highest share of stablecoin purchases relative to its GDP, while Turkey has the highest share, accounting for 4.3% of its GDP between April 2023 and March 2024. The global cryptocurrency market cap was at $2.37 trillion mark, increasing 0.4% in the last 24 hours. The total trading volume increased by 7% to $78 billion. In other news, Shiba Inu, a cryptocurrency, has seen a significant increase in its burn rate, indicating potential recovery prospects. The price has rebounded with over 40.06 million SHIB burned in the last 24 hours. Furthermore, Mode, a Layer 2 network on Ethereum, is partnering with Atlantis Labs to expand its decentralized finance ecosystem. The collaboration aims to expand the platform's operations in DeFi with the support of Atlantis Labs, incorporating asset-backed off-chain deals. Going forward, LBank Exchange announced the listing of SpongeBob SquarePants on April 24, 2024. SpongeBob SquarePants is an animated television series created by marine biologist featuring SpongeBob, a fry cook at the Krusty Krab. Jupiter, a decentralized exchange in Solana, has chosen Sanctum and Uprock as its next ecosystem to launch on its platform. Sanctum aims to boost liquid staking adoption and DeFi participation through its partnership with Jupiter. US stock futures rose as Alphabet and Microsoft saw shares rally on strong earnings. Futures linked to the S&P 500 increased 0.9% and Nasdaq 100 futures popped 1.15%. Futures tied to the Dow Jones Industrial Average rose 0.15%. Bitcoin was trading at $64,450, up 0.6%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was up by 0.2%, trading at $3,146. Avalanche AVAX was trading at $35.5, higher 0.1%. Polygon Matic was trading up by 2% to trade at $0.71. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading up by 0.5% at $0.15. Shiba Inu was trading up by 3%. BNB was down by 0.5% to trade at $608. Solana SOL was down 2% and was trading at $144. Cardano's 88 token was down by 1% to trade at $0.46. Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.52, down by 0.1%. Polkadot was down by 0.1% to trade at $6.9.
Thanks, Ruchi. And now back to the headlines. The United States Securities and Exchange Commission has filed a lawsuit against Geosin Mining and its co-founders, alleging they defrauded investors out of $5.6 million by lying about the number of crypto mining rigs it operated while using customer money for personal expenses. Well, the SEC's April 24 lawsuit in a Fort Worth, Texas federal court claimed Geosin, its CEO Caleb Joseph Ward, and former operating chief Jeremy George McNutt defrauded around 64 investors through service agreements such as securities between November 2021 and December 2022. The SEC alleged the agreements to buy and run crypto miners on customers' behalf for a fee falsely claimed Geosin had contracts with electricity providers for cheap energy, but in reality the costs were as high as 40 to 50% above the rates it told customers. Ward and McNutt also lied to investors about Geosin's operations, the SEC claimed. It alleged of the 1,400 mining rigs Geosin entered into service agreements to purchase, it failed to buy 400 of them and never brought most of the purchased mining machines online. Pre-order holders of Solana's Chapter 2 mobile phone had a brief chance to profit from the yet-to-be-released mobile phone after meme coins airdrop to buyers briefly exceeded the cost of the phone. In April, the teams behind two cat-themed meme coin projects, Cat in a Dog's World and Menaki, airdropped tokens to the wallets of crypto users who pre-ordered the new Chapter 2 device, which initially cost $450 upfront. On April 1, the team behind MEW airdropped 37,600 of its tokens to each holder. At its peak post airdrop price of $0.0089, this allocation was worth $334, according to CoinGecko data. The meme coins have since dropped in value, however, with MEW now only worth $220 at current prices, while Menaki has fallen to $124. When pre-ordering Chapter 2 devices, buyers were required to connect a Solana wallet address, meaning that the airdrop tokens were available to holders before the phone arrived. Bitcoin mining firm Marathon Digital has announced it is increasing its 2024 hash rate target from 35 to 37 exahashes per second to 50 exahashes per second, citing expanded capacity after recent acquisitions. Marathon CEO Fred Thiel said its target would be fully funded as there is no need for the firm to raise additional capital to achieve its new target hash rate. The firm's recent acquisitions include a 200-megawatt Bitcoin mining center purchased from Digital Applied for $87.3 million in March and two additional mining sites totaling 390 megawatts from Generate Capital for $179 million last December. If Marathon reaches its 50 exahashes per second target, it would mark more than a 100% increase in the firm's hash rate since start of 2024. Payment service Stripe is bringing back crypto in the form of stablecoin payments, co-founder and president John Collison has announced. The new service will be available this summer, he said. Since Stripe discontinued its Bitcoin payment option in 2018, transaction times have increased, fees have decreased, and stablecoins are performing stably. Stripe will offer payment services using UST Coin on the Solana, Ethereum, and Polygon blockchain. Well, Stripe was the first major payment provider to adopt Bitcoin in 2014. At the time, Bitcoin was a pretty terrible payment method, Collison said, explaining its discontinuation 4 years later. And now let's go to Shikha Singh to get an update on buzzing coins of the day.
Let us have a look at the buzzing crypto watch list for today and the week ahead. First on the list, we have Cardano. Cardano is experiencing a low percentage of profitable holders compared to major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Tron due to changing market conditions. Over 86% of Bitcoin holders and 85% of Tron investors are profiting, while DogeCoin and Ethereum have higher percentages. The raises concerns among market analysts and investors as 61.3% of ADA's holders are out of the money, indicating reluctance to sell at a loss. Cardano's price peaked in the second half of 2021 and reversed when over 92% of holders were in the money. Next on the list, we have Jupiter. Jupiter, a decentralized exchange on Solana, has chosen Sanctum and UP Rock as its next ecosystems to launch on its platform. Sanctum aims to boost liquid staking adoption and DeFi participation through its partnership with Jupiter. Sanctum and Uprock to debut on the DEX after 64% and 20% of the votes, totaling over 230 million staked JUP tokens. Jupiter's JUP token is currently trading at $1.16, and a strong move above the 50% Fibonacci placeholder could potentially catapult the price. To confirm this update, the Jupiter must break and close above the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level of $1.4. Next on the list, we have WorldCoin. WorldCoin, a digital identity and cryptocurrency project, is using iris scanning technology, seeking strategic alliances with tech giants like OpenAI to expand its user base and strengthen its market position. Despite regulatory scrutiny and concerns over data privacy, WorldCoin remains committed to alliances. The project's token WLD is currently inaccessible to US market participants. However, WorldCoin is preparing to launch its Layer 2 blockchain, WorldChain, to improve efficiency and scalability. The potential implications of OpenAI's involvement raise concerns about the project's mission and ethical standing. Next on the list, we have meme coin Slothana. Slothana, a new Solana meme coin inspired by the office worker Sloth, is set to launch after raising over $10 million in its pre-sale round. With over 23,000 Twitter followers in under a month, the project has gained attention from crypto giants like ICO Bench, YouTubers Claybro and Austin Hilton, and the 5 best meme coins to buy now list curated by 99 bitcoins. The token's DEX listing next week is expected to generate excitement among investors. If Slothana's DEX debut leads to a bull run, it's likely that Binance or other top exchanges could list the asset. Next on the list, we have Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu, a cryptocurrency, has seen a significant increase in its burn rate, indicating potential recovery prospects. The price has rebounded with over 40 million SHIB burned in the last 24 hours. The burning mechanism aims to reduce token supply, potentially increasing Shiba Inu's value in the meme coin sector. The cryptocurrency's recent listing on Robinhood for New York users has increased its visibility and accessibility. Additionally, Shiba Inu raised $12 million through Treat utility and governance tokens, demonstrating its commitment to expanding its utility and use cases.
Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code.